Hello and welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today we're looking around this Yamaha R125 and I must say from the get-go that this doesn't really look like a 125. This looks like a full-blown Supersport bike, and I think that's half of the appeal. I think gone are the days now where 125s with these little skinny tiny bikes, and now if you're jumping onto a 125 with a CBT, you can buy a proper bit of kit, and this is a proper bit of kit. So it's based on the same styling as the R6 and the R1, and I'll show you some of those features as we go around. But this particular one is a 2020 bike. It's got the Yamaha 2020 MotoGP colours on it, and it looks absolutely stunning, as you can see. This particular one's only covered 5,000 miles from new. It's in very, very good condition. So let's start at the front. So the spec of this is very good as standard. So upside down forks, as you can see, which are in great condition, 17-inch front wheel. So loads of variety of tyre choices for this. Just a single disc because it's a very lightweight bike, as you'd expect for a 125cc bike. The disc is made by Brembo, and you've got radially mounted 4-pot calipers with ABS as well as standard. So great front end on this bike. As we pan out, you can see the colour a little bit more. So it's finished in a gloss black, as I said, with the MotoGP decals. These are all standard, these are not aftermarket bits. The bike's largely standard with the exception of a black screen at the front, which you'll see as I go around the front end. And you can see the brake guard there, which is an optional extra. It just helps if you were to ever sort of make impact with something, it stops the brake from locking on. It's a bit of a MotoGP gimmick, really. Around the back, you can see that we've got a Lextek exhaust, which sounds absolutely fantastic and looks very much like the M1 exhaust from MotoGP, so very cool in keeping with the bike. And you can see that it's fitted with a tail tie as well. So nice back end on this bike, sounds great. It really does sound good. Obviously, your neighbours will thank you for that when you're going to work in the morning. There's a couple of little styling cues that are taken from the R6 and the R1. So you can see these vents down the side here, let the air flow out the back, which is a really nice touch. And you can see the airbox vents in the front here, again, taken straight off of the Yamaha M1. So really cool styling wise. It's a really nice bike. So around the front end, again, very R1, R6-esque. So you've got this kind of delta shaped airbox inlet, and then you've got the twin headlights, and then, as I said, you've got an aftermarket black screen as well, which looks fantastic. The bodywork on this bike is in very good condition. No signs of any drops, bangs or scrapes, and of course HPI clear. There you can see the radially mounted caliper, and there you can see the bodywork on this side in very good condition. Chain sprockets, everything like that are in good condition. The only thing that we'll be replacing on this bike before it goes out is the rear tyre. So you'll have a brand new rear tyre on that, which will match the front before it goes. Quite a nice padded seat on these. The older ones were quite wooden and quite uncomfortable, but the seat on these is quite nice and padded. You can even see that they've gone for the machined lightweight yokes on this, so really nice little styling cues. With the upgrade to this shape, so this was the facelift shape at the end of 2019, they also added the full digital dash as well, which is TFT, as you can see. Very nice looking. So you've got your gear indicator here, obviously your speed, rev counter, and even a fuel gauge, which is somewhat of a novelty. Let's give her a start up. Absolutely awesome. Your neighbours will definitely like the sound of that in the mornings when you're going to work. All of our bikes come with a 3-month warranty and free roadside assistance. We are also offering free delivery as well, and we offer finance and part exchange. If those are things that you're interested in, or you've got any questions, please feel free to reach out. We're on WhatsApp, live chat on the website and Auto Trader, Facebook, or of course give us a call, speak to us, pop into the showroom, that kind of thing. That's it for me. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.